Right, left, right, down, up, right, left, right, left, up. Oh, I fucked up. right, left, down, up, left, right, down, up, right, down. Ah, fuck. Right, down, up, left, down, up, right, left, down, up, down, right. All right.
Put that in. Put us making fun of you in. It's very important.
Shiro. What a Shiro.
What is he pulled a Shiro?
I pulled a Shiro. I can't match.
What's the timestamp for that? I'm telling you.
Like 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
But we'll start when the minute happens. 1:00.
Okay.
Half a glass.
Welcome back!
Oh, we're at 1:00 now.
Yep.
Welcome to the second worst show on the internet.
We're back with this. Oh yeah, I gotta ride the rocket ship.
The rocket ship.
Because
Oh yeah, that's where we were. Yeah, we remember.
I remember.
Well, we as a collective now remember because you reminded us.
Oh shit, I got hit.
Yep, that's what happened.
You know what? I need more alcohol.
Do you know? Do you want me to go get you some?
Sure.
Okay, what do you want?
Surprise me. Don't give me too much. I gotta.
That and I'll bring you fucking.
I gotta drive.
I mean, I've got Budweiser. You can bring me Budweiser.
Okay, no, please now. Steve is driving me out, getting me alcohol. I am drinking it. Hefeweiser.
That's what I'm giving you.
Alright, thank you.
It's Hefeweizen. Here you go.
Thank you. I'm hearing it from the can.
Well, you can pour it. Your glass is right there. You want me to rinse it out for you?
Nah, I got this.
I gotta do everything?
Yes!
This is intriguing content, bro.
Well, yeah, it totally is. So, if I remember right, did you already get the secret star here? I just called it a star. God damn it.
I did not.
There are moons.
You have historic memory of other games.
I did not.
I find one of the more frustrating things about watching other people play 3D Mario games is when they don't adjust the camera in the exact same way that I would. So, like, he's running down that hill, like, diagonal. I'm like, what are you doing?
What are you doing? Why isn't it behind you?
Yeah.
Perpendicular things. Hashtag this perpendicular things.
So who
Now that happened. Oh my
So
God.
who would win? Shiro controlling the most famous plumber of all time, or one Gravity Boy?
Everything. Oh shoot, I gotta hit the time on the timer.
Very professional, Shiro.
I know. Steve, I'm not very professional. I don't know how to tell you that.
Yeah, you didn't have to tell me.
Don't worry, guys. Eventually we're gonna make out to do this full time.
Yeah, man. That's the idea.
That's the dream.
That's the dream.
I don't.
And we're like the only people on YouTube trying to do this right now. Clearly, I think our chances are pretty good.
Yeah,
I
right.
know.
Since it is 2007 and all.
Yeah.
Man, if I was back in 2007, I'd make much more money now knowing
No,
who's
2007 they didn't even really do Let's Plays.
I know, man. Oh, is this a Let's Play? Are we Let's Playing?
That's what it's called. Did you know?
Oh, I thought we were just
Excuse me.
bullshitting.
Yeah,
This is officially playing through the game.
You're not wrong.
Well, it's true.
well, playing the game and talking. That's Let's Play.
All right, so let's sit down and have a conversation now.
All right.
Has Shiro played this game before?
No.
No, this is actually before I actually played this at Steve, I have not actually touched it or looked at it.
Oh.
You avoided all spoilers.
I avoided all spoilers. But like when I'm editing, right?
Yeah.
I saw me play, I'm like, shoot, you idiot, you missed a fucking star.
Yeah.
How'd you fucking miss that?
You know how to do that, though. That's pretty cool.
So, Steve, you spend a lot of time just like teasing him about doing things wrong since you played this game? Like,
Yeah.
Yeah, it's funny.
yeah.
It's a lot of fun.
And then there's me, who has never played this game once or touched it.
Well, I mean, you played Mario Sunshine, right?
Yeah, I played a lot of Sunshine.
You played 64, right? So, like,
I never played 64.
you
really.
actually never played it?
Yeah, I played it a little bit, but like
You know
a couple
what?
hours.
You know what? We're making you play 64 later.
Okay, well,
I played Sunshine a lot.
I mean, if you play Sunshine, like, 64 is like Sunshine without the water pack ever.
Right.
And also you have, like...
Have I been in there like with this? I don't know.
I don't remember, man.
Yeah, I played through Mario Sunshine casually probably 20 times or maybe more.
That's more than me, man. I probably maybe 4.
And then I watched Bouncy Boy do speedruns a lot, and so I will I started learning some of his stuff. He's got good material post on like how he started.
Yeah.
And so I've practiced. I mean, not anything that I've even recorded or done.
Yeah,
but I've gone through sections of the game more.
I mean, I know that like a lot of people that watch, say, like 64 speedruns, like they'll do the any percent speedrun themselves, like not take it too seriously, just to like it gives you a lot more appreciation for what they're doing, you know, when you try it yourself.
Absolutely.
That's one of the things, like I say for like Super Smash Bros. Melee, like you almost never meet anybody who loves the competitive scene that has not tried playing the game competitively at some point.
Right.
Because like you don't really have an appreciation for what they're doing, you know, until you try it yourself.
Exactly.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to figure out I don't know. Trying to figure out where to go.
You're supposed to be unclogging the corks.
Yes, and I don't know where to go.
Boy,
You don't unclog your corks.
see, look, you see the clogged cork over there? You gotta uncork that shit.
Oh.
Who would win? Shiro and this spray monster, or one corky boy?
This.
Okay, well you gotta go. Shiro's doing a jerk-off motion with the controller.
Oh, that's
I'm really happy you're doing that.
yeah. No,
I mean, that's what Nintendo wanted you to do when they
That's not live. That's what they want you to do.
motion controls. They had to foresee this.
they called it a waggle stick. Like, let's be real.
Well, no. Oh, you got a swimmy boy.
I see something I need to go to.
Swimmy boy.
Oh shit!
This is.
You gotta be careful of the swimmy boy. He's very delicate.
No, he's not.
You gotta use your hat to open that, though. That's why it's got a hat on it.
Well, time to go in.
Go, Shiro.
Danger! How you were underwater and now you're in a volcano?
Yeah, I'm gonna question it.
Oh, it's an uproot.
Well, I love these things.
What's up, Rube?
What's up, Roof?
What's up with you?
So, did we ever tell you? Did you ever hear this story, David, about Cassandra and Kel?
I mean, I know them.
Okay, so Kel at one point like we were all hanging out playing.
Oh
games,
shit!
And Kel at one point was trying to do the up dog thing to Cassie, or just anybody in general, and he kept going up dog. Is that up dog? That reminds me of up dog. It kept going on, and like this kept going for like a half an hour, right?
Oh my!
And other people started doing it. Like they're like, oh yeah, you like up dog, right? And like eventually it was like, what are you talking about? What is up dog? And Kel was like, they're like giggling like a little girl.
I'm gonna die again, Steve. I don't know why that's so funny.
Because she was angry, and like, that joke is even funnier when like if they don't get it right away, and eventually you do it, and then they just get really mad.
Yeah.
You gotta get that moon boy.
You also have to understand that Cassandra can be a sassy person when she feels called to it. So, like, that's so good. So good.
That's amazing.
Yeah, it's wonderful.
By the way, I love these little things.
Oh, the uproot.
Yeah. Oh no, I'm really bad at this.
Yeah, these guys are fun. They got stretchy little onion legs. Yeah, I actually really didn't like
Oh no.
this one. You gotta get that moon though.
How are you not dead?
Did you get hit 3 times?
No, I see that far. Stretch on the side path.
Ah shit!
Your whole life is being consumed by lava. How do you feel about that, Shiro?
Feels good.
Is it the first time your life is being consumed by
I think
lava?
lava's kind of like a hot tub. Eventually, just get used to it, right?
You know what? My favorite thing to do in a hot tub is drink.
Well, good thing that's what we're doing right now.
Yeah.
So,
You know what my favorite thing to do outside of hot tub?
also drink.
Yeah.
Good job, Shiro. Nothing wrong with you. Okay, so here's an interesting fact.
Yes.
You can't sink in lava.
Okay.
like an IRL,
Yeah.
because it's so like dense.
Well, because it's dense, yeah. Like, I mean, it's made of freaking rocks. Like, obviously, it's denser than you are. So,
but it's
like,
liquid.
yeah, it's liquid, but like buoyancy, right? So, like, you're not going to sink into it the same way like like a balloon is not going to sink into water, right? You have to push it down.
Whoa.
So, like, if you fall into lava, you're just standing on top of it.
Whoa.
Whoa. Stop it, Steve.
Like, all of my video game logic forever has been just destroyed.
Hey, that one point Dragon Ball Evolution is true. You know what?
I mean, you would burn and you would slowly go down into it because, you're liquefying, but like...
Right.
You know what?
all of your bodily juices are escaping and boiling away, so like...
Which is bad. Just so you know at home, like that's a bad thing.
Yeah, you don't want that.
I'm a biologist.
Sorry, I'm just a data scientist. I can only quantify how you're boiling. I can't tell you whether it's good or bad. That's an analyst's job.
You should probably... You're gonna run out of the water, boy. Oh, no. Oh, you're fine.
I'm fine.
Fine. It's a really hot spring island.
I'm a water boy.
Yeah.
Not a bouncy boy.
No.
No.
He's a water boy.
Water boy.
Well, I don't even need him for this.
Good boy?
Oh, well, never mind. I need a zero.
You're terrible. You're so bad.
I know.
I love you like a brother. You're terrible.
That's why Steve made me play this game.
Yeah,
Right.
so I could laugh at him.
Right.
Fuck. I was dying. I'm actually really bad at stuff like this.
You need to cool off. Oh god.
God
Sure,
damn
you
it.
need to cool off the hot spring.
Yes.
I wonder.
Do a shaky. Do a shaky, man. There you go.
Ooh, star.
Yeah, I know you were gonna... We're just gonna let that go for now. You've really only been doing this for 9 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay. So it seems like it's been a lot longer. We talked about Gravity Boys and fucking stars and fucking lava and how you don't sink in it.
I know. You know what? I need to drink more.
Yes, you do. Okay. You should pick up the Purple Boys, though. They're helpful. You can buy more things with those.
I was busy drinking, Steve.
Okay. Are you okay?
I was burped like 4 times in a row there.
Yeah, that's a burp beer, man.
Oh man, it smells like ass, like literal ass.
What?
Those multiple burps I just did.
Yeah. I mean, I wasn't gonna say anything. Who would win? The giant octopus monster interrupted by Bowser, or one cork boy? Actually, 4 cork boys. You get 4 cork boys to take him out.
Would they 4 cork boys? You know what wins though?
What?
I was gonna say shit. I left my kind of dot.
I was like, I promise I had a really good joke there. I did.
Hi, I just left and then came back to use the restroom. So I need you people out in our viewership land to tell me the truth. Were they talking shit about me?
Yes.
Actually, well, don't tell him.
Like, Joe, I need you all to tell me the truth. And you're rat on these two fuckers.
Guys.
Were they talking shit about me?
Actually, guys, you should tell him that, like, even though we weren't, you should tell him that we were. But don't tell him that I told you that. Hopefully he doesn't hear me
Like,
right now.
I'm right here.
Well, it's really hard to plot secret, like, fuck with David moments with the viewers when you were right here. So
That is difficult. I can leave now. Like, I'll see. Okay, I'll be back.
Well, later.
all right, David's gone. We're gonna.
All right. God, that guy. I love him.
The curly bearded.
No, David. I love David. Don't
Oh
you
yeah,
know?
David's a great guy.
I know. I love him. Don't you?
Yeah, I'm really happy he's here. He's a great guy.
Okay. All right then. I love you guys too.
He did catch us. Now we feel like fools.
Yeah, like fools because I caught you.
We have egg on our faces.
All over your face.
Am I doing the right thing? Trying to?
Yeah, you gotta spray him.
Ask myself that question every day.
There you go. You're spraying.
There we go.
You're being a spray boy.
Then I just missed him way too many times.
Yeah, I mean you're I mean, you're being characteristically awful at this. But
Yeah.
there you go.
No!
You should get a heart or something.
No, I've got this.
I don't think you do. I think you're gonna get hit by this. Or you're gonna get hit by the next one. You're gonna have to refill your water.
I feel like this squid spray is a callback to the flood from Sunshine.
Yeah, it is a little bit like the turbo nozzle.
Turbo nozzle.
Yeah, turbo nozzle was fun. The whole game was fun. I really
love that game so much.
No, Shiro, you gonna die. You gotta be careful. You need to take one of these swimmy boys. You get the purples.
What purple?
I don't know. I don't see any purples. David, do you see any purples?
I couldn't see one at the bottom of the floor, seashore floor if I had two eyes looking at him.
Which you don't.
Add one eye.
Turns out David only has one eye.
One eye.
Fucking, hey, what do you mean? He's a pirate.
He's also on a masturbation accident.
Oh. And there was a lot of opportunity for it to happen, so let's be honest, it's going to happen sooner or later.
I mean, it's pretty dangerous activity.
Yeah.
Masturbation rituals are very, very important.
Yeah. Elaborate masturbation rituals is the name of my new concept album.
Okay, we're
What kind of band is
Arctic
it?
Disco Balls and our second album.
No, I said
Elaborate
my first,
masturbation ritual.
my first song is masturbation ritual. What are you talking about?
Yeah.
Where's the goddamn bark? I need a goddamn blow.
There's one. Watch out for the seaweed boys.
Oh, they hurt you?
Yeah, they do. They totally do. You're welcome for the warning.
I would have been hit again.
Probably.
Where the hell? Oh, there he is.
See, you can't have me play this game because I would just watch that patterning on the wall of like.
You know what?
I would just sit there and watch.
You know what?
Like,
Next time
game?
he throws things at us. Oh my! Oh my!
Why are you doing this?
I don't know.
I'm in for next time.
Oh,
Next time.
next time you're gonna get hit and die.
Look how pretty that is. Screw playing the game.
Yeah.
That's so pretty.
It is pretty good.
Next time.
Pretty.
Next time we watch paint dry.
Oh, that sounds like fun.
Oh, this is way cooler.